I was sent this set of 3 oscillating multi-tool blades from EZARC and asked to give my opinion on them, make this short video. So let's check out what you're going to get. These are made for hard metals and for cutting bolts. So it's got a 50 times life extension on these compared to regular multi-tool cutting blades. These have a very special TICN, titanium carbonitride coating on the blades. This makes them last longer. So you're going to get in the box 3 of the blades. And you're also going to get adapters for use on the tools by Bosch and some others that don't use that standard attaching point here. They use these adapters because typically this is what a standard oscillating tool will use. So if you don't have that, you need that adapter, keep those. On my DeWalt, it's going to use the standard one. So I'm just going to fit that on there like this and lock it into those teeth. And now we're ready to go. So to show you, you can cut wood with these, of course, but they're really oriented on cutting metal. So if I was to just cut a small piece off of this piece of wood here, just show you how easy that will go. It just goes right through that like butter, no trouble at all. But when you get into more difficult things to cut, like bolts, nails, anything like that made out of metal, then that's where these things really shine. I can take the heads off of these bolts here very easily using this tool. And there we go, just cuts through it so easy. Do it one more time here. Went right through on that one. So, and as you can see, I haven't got a lot of wear, just the paint scuffed off, but all those teeth are intact. These are going to last a long time, these blades. So that's it. This is a 3-pack that you're going to get from EZARC. It's a really good value. These are going to last you a long time. They're really well made, and I think you're going to enjoy using these blades from EZARC. Hey, I hope that helps learn a little bit more about these blades from EZARC. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.